many questions I've gotten from you guys a lot of times is, are crypto trading bots profitable? So I've decided to dedicate this video to answer that question and to educate you guys on how crypto trading bots work and everything you need to know about crypto trading bots. So if I've ever wondered if crypto trading bots are profitable or not, then this video is for you. Before I go into the video, please, I want you to like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. Now, except you've been under the rock for years, I'm sure you've been seeing crypto trading bots everywhere, from YouTube ads to Telegram groups and so on. And some even promise you guaranteed profit. But are they actually making people money, or is it just hype? So let's get into it. So what exactly are crypto trading bots all about? Now, in simple terms, a crypto trading bot automatically buys and sells cryptocurrencies for you based on a set of rules or algorithms, or let me say parameters that you have set for it or that have been set by the owner or the creator of that trading bot. Now, think of it like having a 24/7 robot trader that never sleeps, doesn't get emotional, and follows instructions exactly as you have set them. That's what a trading bot is. Now, these trading bots are usually on different exchanges, and sometimes they can be third-party trading bots, which you actually have to connect to your crypto exchange account before you can use them. So the trading bots you see on crypto exchanges like Bybit, like Binance, like Bitget, and so on, those ones are the ones you have on different exchanges. You don't need to connect any third-party trading bot to your account to use them. But in case you don't want to use any of these trading bots on these exchanges, that's when you need to use a third-party trading bot. And for these third-party trading bots, some of them you have to pay for them before you can use them, and you have to connect them to your crypto exchange app to use them. So in summary, here's how it works. Number one, you need to choose a trading bot, or you need to build your own if you know how to code. And number two is that if it's a third-party trading bot, you need to connect it to a crypto exchange app for you to use it. And number three is you need to set up your own trading bot strategy. And the fourth step is that the trading bot start taking trades for you. And that is all. So it's as simple as that. So now that you know what crypto trading bots are all about, what are the different kinds of crypto trading bots you will ever come across? Now, the first one will be arbitrage bots. Now, these are trading bots that focus on buying cryptocurrencies for you at a lower price, and then they sell for you at a higher price, and then the difference in price is your profit. So it's mainly for people who are into crypto arbitrage, but it's not that popular, and you can only find it on only a few crypto exchanges out there. Now, the second kind of trading bot you ever come across will be greed trading bots. Now, these are trading bots that place buy or sell orders at regular price intervals, and you only make profit from price fluctuations in both upward and downward directions. So this means that this kind of trading bot will help you take advantage of the upward and downward movement in the market to make money. And for this type of trading bot, you can find them on all crypto exchanges out there. And then for the third kind of trading bot you ever come across, you have trend trading bots. Now, these are trading bots that only follow market trends, and they only take advantage of that trend to help you make profit. So it means that whenever the market is in an uptrend and you're using an uptrend strategy on your trading bot, the trading bot will have the opportunity to make more profits for you. And on the other hand, if the market is in a downtrend and you're using a downtrend strategy on your trading bot, the trading bot will also have the opportunity to make more profits for you. And these trading bots are also common on different crypto exchanges out there. And in case you want to learn how to use whether greed trading bot or trend trading bot, I have videos on them. I'll put them in the description below. In those videos, I tried trading bot on different exchanges, and I even showed how much I made and how much I lost. So again, the link to the playlist will be in the description below. Now, the next thing is, what are the important things to take note of when you are using trading bots? Before I go into that, if you have been enjoying my videos so far, maybe you have been learning about crypto or finance from this video or my previous videos, then I would love to invite you to become a member of this channel. Now, in case you don't know, I recently introduced channel memberships to even give more value to my subscribers. And as a member of this channel, here is what you're going to get. You get early access to my videos. So this means that you'll be the first to watch my new videos hours before they even go live to the public. And number two, you will get exclusive members only content. So this means that I share premium videos on crypto opportunities, market insight, and even finance tips that are not available to the public. So only you will have access to these videos. And then for number three, you get priority replies to your comments. So this means that your questions and comments will be answered faster with priority attention. And then for number four, you have member shout out. So this means that I'll be shouting out my members in my videos to appreciate your support. So it's my own way of building a closer community on the channel, and it's also a way for you to support the channel, and I would love for you to be part of it. So if that sounds like something you would enjoy, please click the first link in the description below or the first link in the pinned comment below to become a premium or VIP member of the channel. Thank you. Now let's get back into the video. Now, let's get back to the important things you need to take note of when you are using trading bots. Now, I'm going to start with the biggest truth about trading bots. Now, the first one is that a bot is not a money printing machine. Take note of that. A trading bot is only a tool that helps you to trade crypto, and it only works based on the strategy and rules that you have set for it. So a trading bot is good for you if you're the type of person who is interested in trading, but you don't have the time for it, maybe because of your job or maybe because of school, and it trades for you while you sleep. So it has its use cases and its advantages, but it is not a money printing machine. It is only a tool. Please take note of that, because some of you think because you're using a trading bot, you should never lose money. No. It is not like that. And the second thing to take note of is that your bot will not take decisions outside what you have set for it. Now, let me explain. So some months ago, I made a video on how to create trading bots on Bybit and make money with it. And someone asked me a question and said, can the trading bot exit a trade for me if it says that I'm going to lose a lot of money? And I said, no, the trading bot will not exit a trade for you only because it says that you are going to lose a lot of money. No. And like I said, the trading bot will only follow whatever rules you have set for it. And the trading bot can only limit your loss if you set a stop loss for every trade it takes. So it means that you must set a stop loss for that trading bot. So for example, if you set a rule for your trading bot to close a trade for you once you hit 10% loss on every trade, it will do that for you. But without such rule, the trading bot will not close any trade for you because you are losing money. It will only close it if it gets to take profit or maybe your liquidation price. That's for futures trading. So take note of that. Now, the third thing to take note of when you are using trading bots is that if your strategy is poor, your trading bot will follow it and you will lose money. So make sure you are using a good trading strategy for that. Now, before I go on with this video, if you are looking for a very good crypto exchange to make money as a beginner with crypto, then you should definitely check out the Femex app. Now, on the Femex app, there are different ways you can make money with crypto. You can make money with crypto via futures trading, spot trading, trading bots, copy trading, crypto savings, launch pool, and so many ways. Now, I've been using this app for some time now, and it's really simple and easy to use, especially for beginners. So I would advise that you check the link in the description below to create an account on Femex and start trading and making money with crypto. Now, let's get back into the videos. Now, for number 4, please make sure you start small. Now, you see, when you are using a trading bot for the first time, you don't know what to expect or maybe how it will even work. So it is advisable to begin with a small amount of money, maybe a little percentage of your capital, and watch how it will perform over a few days or a few weeks. And once you are confident about it, you can now slowly increase your capital. But always remember that crypto is volatile and anything can happen. So please always start small when you are starting to use trading bots. And for number 5, please make sure to always monitor your trading bot regularly. Now, you see, it's always tempting to always set and forget your trading bot. It's always tempting to do that, but please don't. Even if you are not trading yourself, you still need to monitor your trading bot regularly just to see how it is performing and if you need to make some changes to the rules. I hope you understand. And for number 6, please don't fall for scams or overhyped trading bots. Now, there are a lot of scam trading bots out there and platforms out there that will be promising you guaranteed profit when you buy their trading bot. Some even sound too good to be true. So my advice is to only use trusted platforms with transparent strategies and good reviews, and be very careful, especially with bots that are promoted by influencers. And that is why for me, I always stick to trading bots on major exchanges. And like I said earlier, if you want to learn how to use trading bots to make money, I have so many videos on them where I tried them on different exchanges and I showed you how much I made and how much I lost. Again, the link to that playlist will be in the description below. So these are the 6 things you need to take note of when you are using crypto trading bots. Now to the main question of the video, which is, are trading bots profitable? Now, to be honest with you, the short answer is yes. Crypto trading bots are profitable, but there is a longer and much more important explanation that you need to understand before you start. So let me break it down. Now, to be honest, like I said, yes, you can make money using crypto trading bot, but it is not as simple as just turning on the crypto trading bot and watching the money come in anyhow. No, it is not like that. Trading bots don't work like that. They just automate trades for you based on the rules you have set for the trading bot. I've said this multiple times in this video already. So if your rules are very good and your strategies are good, and if the market conditions are in your favor, then yes, you can make so much profit with trading bot. But if your strategy is poor and you don't monitor your trading bots regularly, then you could lose a lot of money with trading bots. So the important thing right here is understanding that crypto trading bots are only tools. They are not shortcuts to quick money. So don't expect any trading bot to make you rich overnight. Please don't expect that. So that's it for this video. That's everything you need to know about crypto trading bots, and I hope I've been able to educate you enough to understand how crypto trading bots work and if they are profitable or not. Now, before I go, I want to hear from you. If you have ever used the crypto trading bot before, let me know in the comment section below. Did it turn out good or bad? And what was your experience? Let us know in the comment section below. And in case you want to see me review specific trading bots, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And if you want to learn what copy trading is all about and how to make money with copy trading, click the video showing right here. And in case you want to learn the fastest way to make money as a crypto trader, click on the video showing right here. And before you go, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.